The following is an audio demonstration of a new e-commerce website, Innosearch.AI. It is not a paid endorsement, but a testimonial after 8 weeks of usage, more than 100 item comparisons, and a dozen excellent delivery experiences. The website can be found at Innosearch.AI. That's INNOSEARCH.AI. You can find a referral link through our First Aid for the Blind website. You'll get $10 off any purchase, and Innosearch will donate $10 to First Aid's mission to serve the low and no vision community. Our website is faftb.com.
Hi there, Brian Clark, lead trainer, First Aid for the Blind. I'm always looking for ways to make life easier. Whether it's seeing AI, Be My Eyes, Ira, or even Script Talk to handle medications. Always looking for things that can be useful to replace the vision that I no longer have. So what excites me about the new day and age of artificial intelligence is all the ways that it can help us complete tasks that we used to normally be able to use our eyes to do. What really excites me is when we're going to start having AI help us with navigation, transportation, and now even shopping. Shopping is one of the more complicated tasks that most of us have to do, especially if we're trying to do it without any vision at all, using a screen reader on a phone or a computer screen where there is lots of items and things on the screen. It can be difficult to make our way through those areas. Enter Innosearch, a revolutionary new e-commerce platform that is designed to help those with low or no vision simplify the shopping process. Now, this is definitely not reserved just for those with vision impairments. This can be useful by everybody. And at its heart, it is a way to utilize some of the really cool features of artificial intelligence to help us simplify the shopping experience. Now, for this particular demo, I'm using Windows 11 with Chrome, and I'll be using JAWS as my screen reader. All of these things work very well on Windows 10 in a variety of different browsers. I typically use NVDA the most. I'm just using JAWS today because I like to use that with the voice for the demonstration. Innosearch is also available on Safari on any Apple devices, and this demonstration is done in the middle of October 2024. When I was first introduced to Innosearch.AI, this was approximately 8 weeks ago, and at the time they only had access to 4 online retailers, but that included Walmart and Amazon. So even from the beginning, their selection was quite impressive. Since then, they have now access to more than 500,000 different online retailers that list more than 1 billion unique items. So they are always expanding, always growing. Recently, Innosearch has become available in the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, and they are rapidly working on giving access to airline travel as well as hotel accommodations. Future plans include more personalization, where Innosearch will remember things that you prefer, and also to have more voice interactions, thus reducing the necessity for reliance on a keyboard. Okay, so let's talk about some of the reasons why I love Innosearch. For starters, it's the ease of use and convenience. It is really simple for me to open up a browser, do my search really fast, locate an object, locate an item, make the purchase. I can be in and out in less than a minute, depending on what I'm looking for. The second reason is the interactions with the artificial intelligence. Whether I can interrogate the item, get all kinds of additional details, I can ask for item comparisons, I can ask for customer reviews, I can even ask for things visually about the items, such as if I was looking up a Spider-Man t-shirt, I could ask for a good description of the logo on that t-shirt. Additionally, you can ask for questions such as the number of USB ports on a particular item that you're trying to purchase. And a lot of times Innosearch has the ability to count the number of USB ports in images and things like that. The number 3 reason is best prices. Hands down, I have not seen better prices anywhere. What I did my first few weeks was anytime I looked something up on Innosearch, I would grab the name of the item and then go look at it up on Amazon or Walmart and just compare prices. And Innosearch always beat the prices. One time it was tied, but every other time I've checked, Innosearch has the best prices around. And that has been very consistent, and that also goes along with their messaging. I believe that Innosearch will typically beat the native prices that you're going to find if you just look them up on the native websites. Reason number 4, from searching to researching to purchasing the item, the whole process is very seamless and efficient. It frees up time in my day and allows me to get back to my day. Reason number 5, free delivery. Even without having to pay any subscription prices or anything like that, they have access to Amazon Prime, and there's lots of times where I will order something in the morning and I will have it in the afternoon. Now, I live in a large metropolitan area, so there are quite a few different, especially Amazon delivery hubs in the area, so that certainly helps with the delivery times and things like that. But again, no delivery fees. They take care of that all on their end. The next reason I will mention is that it kind of makes shopping fun again. I can remember when Amazon first came out. Back then I had Vision, and it was actually kind of fun to be able to go on there and do some research and look around and see all the different items that were out there. It was a lot easier than having to truck up and down stores. And so shopping, though, over the years has become more of a tedium for me as the process has become more difficult. But this morning I went and looked for a brand new keyboard, and I actually had a little bit of fun trying to do my research and locate the keyboard that I was looking for. And finally, they are very tied to our community and responsive to suggestions that we have. They really listen and try to implement changes to make the whole process even easier. Okay, so let's take Innosearch for a spin. Again, I'm using JAWS, and I'm going to fire up Chrome here.
Search box edit. CHROME. Chrome. Enter. Selected. About : blank. Address in search bar edit.
Okay, now in the address bar, I'm going to type Innosearch.AI. That's INNOSEARCH.AI.
Address in search bar edit. Innosearch.AI. Enter. Selected. Innosearch.AI. Innosearch.AI : your ultimate shopping assistant. Left paren. Find best deals and top products. Right paren - Google Chrome.
Okay, now at this point, it is going to try to get me to log in. I'm going to choose one of my Google Gmail accounts that I have not used before. So I'm just going to hit tab.
Sign in to Innosearch.AI with Google.com dialog. Close button. To activate, press spacebar.
And I'm going to tab until I get to the account that I want.
Brian Clark @ brian.clark@gmail.com button. Enter.
Hitting enter on that.
Back button. To act. Close button. To active. Continue as Brian @ brian.clark@gmail.com button. To activate, press spacebar.
And I'm going to hit enter.
Alert. Verifying. 0%. Alert. Signed in. Home - Innosearch.AI : your ultimate shopping assistant. Left paren. Find best deals and top products. Right paren - Google Chrome. Home - Innosearch.AI : your ultimate shopping assistant. Left paren. Find best deals and top products. Right paren. Logged in as Brian Clark. Left paren @ brian.clark@gmail.com. Right paren.
Excellent. So let's take a quick tour. I'm going to start at the top of the page.
Home - Innosearch.AI : your ultimate shopping assistant. Left paren. Find best deals and top products. Right paren.
And I'm just going to down arrow from here. Down arrow.
Same page link. Skip to main content.
Down.
Visited current page link. Innosearch. Search. Edit combo.
There's our search box. We're going to come back to that.
Clear search button unavailable. Search button. Visited link. Graphic cart. Left paren. 0 items. Right paren.
There's the cart.
User menu button collapsed. Country : United States. Country : United States button. Menu collapsed. List box. Switch to dark mode. Switch pressed on. Switch to dark mode. Share Innosearch with friends and get $10 each. No earning limit. Credits never expire. Sign in.
Okay, so that's pretty much the gist of it. Below this are going to be items that are populated just from loading the page at the start. What we really want to get into is the edit box at the top. So I'm going to, again, navigate to the top with Control Home.
Home-Innosearch.
And then hit E.
Search edit combo.
And enter to jump into that box.
Enter. Banner region. Search edit combo. Search for a product or item. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Found 0 suggestions for quote.
Depending on how your JAWS is set up, you may jump into that box immediately when the page loads. I tend to prefer a little bit more manual control of that. So for today's demo, I'm going to search for an item that I use quite a bit. I like giving these away to students and things. These are going to be bump dots, clear, mini, round. Very, very popular item. So I'm just going to type that here into the search box.
B-U-M-P bump D-O-T-S dots L-E-R clear M-I-N-I mini U-N-D. Found 0 suggestions for quote bump dot clear mini round quote.
And then hit enter.
Round. Enter. Home-Innosearch.AI your ultimate shopping assistant left paren find best deals and top products right paren. Searching for quote bump dot clear mini round quote. 93 results for quote bump dot clear mini round quote.
Okay, so we've navigated to the search results. Each one of these results is a heading. So if I just start to hit H.
Results for quote bump dot clear mini round quote heading level 1. Bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots heading level 2 link.
And if I want to get more details about this item, I can now use the down arrow.
Free delivery. Retailer : Walmart graphic. Price : $4.85.
Nice price.
Free 30-day return. Research on bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots button.
We'll come back to that research button later, but there's the ability to do research.
Add to cart bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots button.
You can add to the cart right away.
Buy now bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots button.
Or if I wanted to just do buy now, I could do buy now. For now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to add it to my cart.
Add to cart bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots button.
Trigger this button.
Enter. Adding the product to the cart. Main region. Adding to cart bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots button unavailable. To activate, press enter. Added to cart : bump dots dash clear mini round dash top round bump dots *1.
Now you've seen how easy it is to add an item to the cart. Let's take a look at how we can use the research tool. Specifically, I'm going to look up a Spider-Man t-shirt, and I'd like to see if Innosearch can give me a description of whatever emblem or logo is on the t-shirt. So let's navigate backwards using Shift-E and go to the search box.
Search edit combo. Bump dot clear mini round. Space.
And
Banner region. Selected. Bump dot clear mini round edit. Selection.
And in the search box, I'm going to type
S-P-I-D-E-R-A-N Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Found T-H-I-R-T. Found 5 suggestions for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote. Found 5 suggestions for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote.
And I'm going to hit enter.
Shirt. Enter. Searching for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote. Navigated to results for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote.
And I'm just going to use H to jump down to the next heading.
Results for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote heading level 1. Found 90 results for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote.
H again.
Marvel Boys Spider-Man City Slinger Crew Neck Short Sleeve Graphic T-shirt sizes 4-18 heading level 2 link.
Okay, so let's navigate to the research button by just using B.
Research on Marvel Boys Spider-Man City Slinger Crew Neck Short Sleeve Graphic T-shirt sizes 4-18 button. Found 90 results for quote Spider-Man T.
And I'm going to hit enter.
Enter. What do you need? Results for quote Spider-Man t-shirt quote Innosearch.AI your ultimate shopping assistant left paren find best deals and top products right paren Google Chrome dialog. What do you need heading level 2. Innosearch is replying. Conversation content main region. Innosearch latest reply heading level 3. Innosearch replied.
Now I want to go right to the edit box and get a visual description. So I'm going to hit E.
Your message edit contains text.
Enter.
Enter. Send message form region. Your message edit contains text. Touch C-A-N-K-Y-O-U-G-I-V-E-V-S-A-A-U-A-L visual D-E-S-C-R-I-P-T-O-N description F-O-T-H F-O-R-4-T-A-E-T-A-R-T shirt enter. Innosearch is replying.
And let's see what it does when I ask for a visual description.
Conversation content main region. Innosearch latest reply heading level 3. Innosearch replied. The T-shirt is red with a vibrant graphic of Spider-Man in a dynamic pose, accompanied by stylized text above him. It's colorful and appealing. Perfect for Spider-Man fans.
Excellent. So a lot of times we can get a description of items. Okay, so let's do another test. Let's go back to the top of the page.
Heading level 2. What do you need?
And use B to find the close button.
Close button.
Enter to trigger that.
Enter. Close button. To activate, press enter. Main region. Research on Marvel Boys Spot.
All right, I'm going to go back to the top of the page
Results for
and use E to jump into the edit box.
search edit combo. Spider-Man t-shirt. Enter. Enter region. Search region. Search edit combo. Spider-Man t-shirt.
Clear all that out of there.
Selected. Selection deleted. S. Found 0 suggestions for quote.
And I'm going to think of another item that I'm interested in. Let's just say a Logitech ergonomic keyboard.
Logitech. Logitech. Ergonomic keyboard. Found 5 suggestions for quote Logitech keyboard. Enter. Searching for quote Logitech ergonomic keyboard quote. Navigated to results for quote Logitech ergonomic keyboard quote.
And I'm going to jump down to the first result.
Results for quote Logitech ergonomic keyboard quote heading level 1. Found 57 results for quote Logitech ergonomic keyboard quote. Logitech pop icon keyboard mouse combo heading level 2 link.
And I'm going to go to the research button for this one.
Research on Logitech pop icon key. Enter. What do you need? Results for quote Logitech ergonomic keyboard quote dash Innosearch.AI your ultimate shopping assistant left paren find best deals and top products right paren dash Google Chrome dialog. What do you need heading level 2? Innosearch is replying. Conversation content main region. Innosearch latest reply heading level 3. Innosearch replied.
And I'm going to jump to the edit box.
Your message edit contains text. Enter. Send message form region. Your message edit contains text. Type in text.
And let's just do a comparison.
COMPARE this TO2IMILR similar PRODUCTS products. Enter. Innosearch is replying. Conversation content main region. Innosearch latest reply heading level 3. Innosearch replied.
And down arrow.
The Logitech pop icon keyboard mouse combo is priced at $68.59 with a 4.6 rating. For comparison, 1. Logitech Ergo K860 keyboard priced at $108.77. It offers an ergonomic design with a split keyboard layout, ideal for comfort during long typing sessions. It has a 4.6 rating from 4,100 reviews. 2. Logitech Wave Keys keyboard at $49.97. This keyboard features a wave design for ergonomic comfort and has a 4.6 rating from 658 reviews.
And you get the idea. You can compare products as well. So I'm going to go to the top and get out of this research page.
Heading level 2. What do you need? Close button. To activate, press enter.
Okay, so you get the idea there. Let's go ahead and continue. I'm going to go to the top of the page.
Results for quote Logitech
and I'm going to find the cart.
Virtual find. JAWS find dialog. CART. Cart. Enter. Visited link. Graphic cart left paren 1 items right paren. Enter. Navigated to cart.
Navigated to cart. Now on this page, I can use T, I believe, and jump to the table.
Table with 5 columns and 2 rows. All products left paren 1 products right paren. Column 1, row 1, product.
And if I just want to down arrow through here.
Retailer. Quantity. Price. Actions. Link graphic bump dots dash clear menu rounded dash top round bump dots. Link bump dots dash clear menu rounded dash top round bump dots. Walmart. Quantity. 1 quantity button menu collapsed list box.
If I want to change the quantity, I can trigger this menu button.
Space. Quantity list box. 1, 2 of 11. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
And then down arrow.
2, 3 of 11. 3, 4 of 11.
To whatever choice I want. I'm going to go back up to 2.
2, 3 of 11.
And hit enter.
Enter. Main region. Quantity 1 quantity button menu collapsed list box. Quantity. Column pre row 2.
And continuing to go forward from here with down arrow.
Price $9.7. Remove bump dots dash clear menu rounded dash top round bump dots from cart button.
If I need to remove.
Table end.
The table end. Now if I just push B.
Secure checkout left paren guaranteed safe and secure. Powered by Stripe right paren button.
We get some options as to how we want to pay for this. Stripe is something I've been using for about the last year. I feel very confident with using Stripe. I tend to use it a little bit more for kind of international transactions, but I've been very pleased so far with Stripe. It reminds me a lot of PayPal, for those of you that are familiar with that.
Alt secure checkout left paren guaranteed safe and secure. Powered by Stripe right paren button.
And I'm going to hit enter on that button.
Enter. Checking out. Secure checkout left paren guaranteed safe and secure. Powered by Stripe right paren button unavailable. To activate, press enter. Stripe checkout dash Google Chrome. To activate, press spacebar. Powered by. Page has 3 regions, 2 headings and 6 links. Link back to Innosearch.AI Incorporated.
All right, I'm just going to down arrow through here.
Pay Innosearch.AI Incorporated. $9.70. Bump dots dash clear menu rounded dash top round bump dots. QTY2. $4.85 each. $9.70. Subtotal $9.70. Edit ad promotion code.
There would be a place for putting in any promotion codes that you have.
Tax enter address to calculate total due $9.70.
and I will have to put in my tax so they can figure state sales tax.
Google Pay button. Separator. Or pay another way. Heading level 2 shipping information. Email. Shipping address. Name. Edit full name. Space. Main region. Name edit. Full name. Type in text.
Address field.
Address line 2 edit. Type in text.
I don't need an address line 2.
City edit. Type in text. Zip edit. Has pop-up. State combo box. Combo box. United States left paren +1 right paren. To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Payment methods tab. Pay with card tab selected. 1 of 2. Pay with card tab panel. Card number edit. 1234 1234 1234 1234. Type in text. Has pop-up.
And you will have to put your credit card information in.
Expiration edit. MM/YY. Type in text. CVC edit. Type in text. Billing info same as shipping checkbox checked. To clear checkmark, press spacebar. Save my payment information for future purchases checkbox not checked. Space. Checked. Change button. To activate, press enter. Enter. Innosearch.AI, Incorporated. Main region. Pay with card tab panel. Phone number edit required. Terms link. Pay button. To activate, press enter. Enter. Innosearch.AI, your ultimate shopping assistant alert. Thank you for the order. We have sent an email to .clark@gmail.com with everything you need to know about your order. Alert. Thank you for the order.
There you go. And at this point, I will get an email to give me delivery status notices. They are working at increasing the ability to get notifications and things a little bit faster, but I've been very pleased with the email notifications so far. They've been accurate and timely, even if it is a little bit of adjustment from how we normally would get our shipping and delivery notifications.
Screen sharing meeting controls. To move to an item, press the
Remember, you can find InnoSearch at Innosearch.AI. That's INNOSEARCH.AI. And stop by our website as well. It's FAFTB.com.